Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Did you know regular people like you and me are making full-time monthly income working from home on Amazon KDP? That's right. They are leveraging the power of the most trusted and the largest e-commerce brand there is. Amazon KDP is a real income opportunity that is available to us at the moment, and given the current consumer shift towards buying online, this trend is only going to get stronger from here. One of the hottest under-tapped categories of books on Amazon KDP right now is word ladder activity books. This is a niche inside educational activity books that has a growing fan base, and barely any real competition. The big sellers have already proven the demand, but the overall supply is still incredibly low. That's your blue ocean opportunity staring you in the face. There's literally no scope for any margin of error on your part as a content creator or indie publisher when it comes to educational books. You must have the correct manuscript. Each time, every time. While the market is big and readers stick around with publishers who deliver high-quality material, it does take some time and effort for an indie publisher to create premium content in this niche and benefit from it commercially. The KDP marketplace is consolidating, and you need to innovate and stay ahead of the curve with high-quality word ladder books to stand out. You need to be creating top-quality content that is error-free and serves a clear educational purpose that aligns with vocabulary building and language development. That's exactly what big publishing houses are doing on Amazon. And that's what you need to do to up your publishing game on KDP and take the big publishing houses head on. But then the big publishing houses are able to make it happen because they have a big production budget per book, they have teams on payroll, and they have strong processes to manage the workflow. How do I know this? Because I handle a creative team myself, and we create books at scale for our own Amazon KDP business. That means we do exactly what these big publishing houses do, at a smaller scale. But then, most mom-and-pop KDP publishers do not have such resources or systems. Look, making a serious income selling word ladder activity books on Amazon KDP is actually simple. Here's what you need to do. Step number 1. Create word ladder worksheets. Step number 2. Put those together in a book. Step number 3. Publish to KDP. It's simple, but the problem is, it's not easy. There are 6 major problems that you would face when it comes to creating word ladder books for Amazon KDP. Problem number 1. In order to create high-end word ladder worksheets, you would need to be proficient in one or more design software. Problem number 2. Even if you know the design software and are proficient with it, it can take you months to create just one book, making it an unsustainable business model. Problem number 3. There is no margin for error when it comes to educational workbooks. You cannot afford to make a mistake, and that's difficult when you are a one-person business. Problem number 4. It's an expensive process. Whether you want to hire your own in-house team or you go the outsourcing route, it's going to cost you a small fortune. Problem number 5. I can tell you from first-hand experience that managing a project without solid processes when it comes to publishing work is a difficult task. Problem number 6. Scaling is impossible if you are an indie publisher. That's right. Been there, tried that. We were convinced about the need for a solution that leveled the playing field for us and our customers. And with no real solution in sight, we decided to create our own software that would enable our users to create high-quality word ladder activity books at scale. So at the expense of our and our team's time and thousands of dollars of our own hard-earned money, we created what is being touted as the next-generation word ladder worksheet builder. We're talking about the best and only word ladder activity creation cloud app that we know of, designed to help you create these educational workbooks at scale. So, are you ready to create and profit from your own word ladder books that you can sell on the Amazon KDP platform? Are you excited? Please allow me to introduce the Word Ladder Worksheets Generator. Word Ladder Worksheets Generator is a cloud app that helps you create high-quality word ladder books in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Select a done-for-you page layout from the modules provided inside of the app to get started in seconds. Step number 2. Update your words, clues, and instructions to customize the word ladder activity pages and add as many pages as you need to your book. Step number 3. Download the book and publish it. It comes loaded with features that are designed to push your productivity through the roof. Wondering what makes Word Ladder Worksheets Generator different and so special? The power of this app lies in the fact that it helps you create books your audience will love, pay for, and even recommend to others. Take a look at this premium quality worksheet created in a matter of seconds using the app. Want to create something a bit different? Check this out. You can create brand new page layouts right inside the app. Did I tell you it takes only a few clicks to introduce a new word ladder, even though there are multiple word clues and transformations across the page? The app will do all the hard work for you and create nicely formatted word ladder worksheets. You get to create all this without having to spend days or weeks glued to your computer. There is nothing like the Word Ladder Worksheets Generator app out there in the market that we know of, which gives you so many options when it comes to creating top-quality Word Ladder worksheet resources. Just check out the page below and see all the awesome features that Word Ladder Worksheets Generator comes packed with. This app is not just about giving you a tool that helps you create a few worksheet pages easily. It's a lot more than that. It's a comprehensive publishing suite that allows you to create publishing house quality word ladder activity books in a way that can massively elevate your KDP publishing business. This is something I have created to use in my own business, and I'm proud to say that once you get your hands on it, you'll find it extremely difficult to not use it on a regular basis. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's because it is too good to be true. The product is priced at a low introductory pricing at the moment, and the price will increase significantly in the near future. In fact, we will eventually be selling this at a monthly recurring plan very soon. However, you can get this awesome software for a small one-time fee now and literally generate a near-instant ROI on your investment, given that you can use this very app to create multiple high-quality word ladder activity books. That's right. No monthly fee, no hidden charges, just a small one-time investment gets you the resources to build your own educational worksheet empire. What are you waiting for? Click on the button below and get the Word Ladder Worksheets Generator. We'll see you on the inside.